Yes, last class we discussed about storage account and we created Azure Storage Explorer, installed it, and we attached that storage account to Azure Storage Explorer. After we installed the software and we connected the storage account. So last class we discussed. Today we will go for new topic, that means the lot of clients, there are many clients, they are performing their backups instead of native backups or local backups. They are performing the backup on the storage on Azure storage account. So because that's Azure storage providing huge space, and it is cheap, and again it is safe. Security wise also it's safe because Azure providing 99.999% up, and that means always be online. So it is reliable. So most of client, they are taking backups for on-prem servers and Azure storage account. So now we are performing the backup to Azure storage account. There is some methods we need to follow. In case client wanted to perform their SQL Server database backup on Azure storage account, then how to perform? That I will show you now. This is very important. Few clients are migrating from on-prem server to take the backup on Azure storage account instead of in native backup. Native backup mean within their environment, so they will take the backup either network path or local server, that one. In case they want to perform the backup on storage account, how to take the backups on storage account, I will go and show you. Okay, let's see. Anyhow, we have created that storage account. This storage account we have created. Otherwise you can search here. I shown you many ways. Okay, I am opening this. Right, yeah, this is storage account we created. We know that these are the storage account. I am opening, sorry. Here also you can go to that data management. Sorry, not data management, data storage. Here containers, blob containers. We already created blob containers. These are the SQL Dev backup, SQL backup. There are two container we created. This is SQL backups we already created. There is no items for now, and this is the storage account name. Now go to that our VSIT server. If you open this, this is a storage account. We already yesterday we add account added here, nothing but attached this by using access key. Yesterday I shown you. Now it is accessible through Azure Storage Explore. And if you want to get the detail of this account, see here, the account name is VSIT SQL. If you see here, it will be available, the same account. And whatever in the Azure storage, this is the account we created. If you open that, there is a blob container, right? Here also there you can place, you can click on anywhere like a container. If you click on the blob container, you will see these two containers. We called here, these are containers in Azure terminology. If you go to the server, the same thing you can see here also. After you connected that your Azure Storage account to Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. If you click on this, where is that? Yeah. If you click on this and expand, the same account will be available here. So this is the way we can connect Azure Storage account directly from server by using some connection string or shared access signature. See here, same folder are available here. So most of client they will use Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer instead of connecting the portal. Every time they won't connect, and even you may not have the access to connect this Storage Explorer by using portal. This is called portal, and mostly you may not have the access to this portal, but this will help you to track that storage, how many blob containers are there. By checking this one, it will help you to check that blob container, what are the blob containers are there. So indirectly by using Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer, you are connecting storage account without connecting the portal. Right. Now I need to perform the backup on this SQL backup container. If you open, it will open here. Wait. Yes. You will get one right side pane. In that it will show that what are the files are available in this folder. At present no data is available, nothing but it is empty. Now what I'm going to do today, our topic is to take the backup on this Azure Storage blob container. There are few methods are there. I will explain you. I think earlier we created my, then I will delete them first. Let me connect. This is VSIT server 1. This is called on-premises server, on-prem server. Okay, I'm connecting it. It is connected. Yes. I need to check if it is a last batch practice is there, then I will delete that and again I will start that new thing. Let me check. Yes, I need to delete all these things. That previous batch, when they perform, this was created. It's okay. So I'm deleting it so that I can show you. Right. So if you want to perform the backup on Azure storage account, there are few things need to be done. You know, if you take the local backup, the simple command backup date, just I will show you that local backup and different between Azure storage blob backup. Just a quick review. See here we have many database. Suppose I want to take this database backup. Then how to perform the backup? Backup simple. Database, many time we did. Database name. I want, for example, this database to disk. Now I want to take the backup local, that is called native backup. If you performing the backup on the same server, then we call native backup. I need to take backup on native backup on this E drive, or also called local backup. I want to perform the backup on this folder. If you go and see, provide the path and database name. This is, we know that full today date and time 10:16. When I write that date and time, it is server time, not your local time. Okay, with compression, comma, stats is equal to 1. This is called, we are performing on this drive. This drive is available on this server. So this is called local backup or native backup. So I'm performing native backup. So let's see. Backup has been completed. If you see that, for the backup file also available on this local drive. So this is the backup. Good. Now I don't want to take the backup on any of this drive on the server. The client wanted to take the backup on Azure storage account. Then how to perform? That is our topic today. Now I will show you that. Need to open that Azure storage, Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. He wanted to take the backup on this. For this, we required few things from the client. Okay, one is shared access signature of this account. How to take that shared access signature? If you have the portal access, you can go and check this. How to get that shared access signature? Now I want to perform the backup on this blob container. Open this. Okay, we have opened this storage account and go to the settings. We have in the settings, there are few things you observe: shared access token, access policy and properties. So if you have the access to the portal, just click on this. Here we required this detail. So again, here let me create access. Let permission give that. Here read permission only. To perform the backup, only read is not enough, because backup need to place on that Azure storage account on the blob container. That means we record write permission also. So I am giving full access, even delete also. So full access are available on this storage container, and here giving start and expiry date. Today is the start time, and expiry you can give at least 1 year. So at present I am giving 2 3 months till December. So client will decide that which time they required, and this is the UTC time, Chennai, that is Indian time. Now allowed IP address. If you give that any IP address, it will be allowed. At present I am generating this. After setting this all these things, you can generate SSS tokens. So it will be available blob SSS token. See here this one. This is very important. Screen recording. Everything is changed. After that you can generate. If you want to generate again, it will be generate. Now I need this token. Shared access SAS means shared access signature. See here, shared access token, and S means signature. This I need here. There are different methods to take that backups. Both method I will show you. The first thing, we need to create credential by using this one. Go to the server. This is VSIT server 1. Open SSMS. Now open new query window. For this we need to create credential. Before performing the backup on Azure Blob Storage container, we required to create credential. At present no credentials are there. If you express that, place that I mean, when you refresh that and you given that credential folder, just click on that. At present this is empty. That means we don't have any storage credentials. So I'm going to create that credential. There are different methods to create credential. I will show you both all the methods. Right here, new credential. This is the one process to create. Here we can provide the credential name, identity, password, and confirm password. This is GUI, but I will give the script directly. It will help you to create that credential. Now I will give this credential. Method 1. I'm mentioning that method 1. I'm creating this method 1. There are different methods are there. So this is the best method. This is method using shared access signature SAS. Create the credential using SAS token. Here, create credential. We need to provide this credential URL. This is called blob container URL. Look like this. I will mention here your storage account and this one. Where we get this one? Go to that storage account. Now go to that shared access signature. I need that URL. Go to here and blob container. Now there is, yes, I required. This is data. Where is the container properties? Yes, this URL I required. Again I am showing. This is the blob container. I want to perform the backup on this one. Otherwise this one, anyone. But at present I am selecting this one. There is that three dots. Click on this. Go to the container properties. Earlier it will be there here. Now it is might be, you know, it is keep updating that Microsoft. It's fine. Now just it is copied. This URL is required. Go and paste here in this place. Delete and place it. See here. This is my blob container. VSIT SQL. This is the Azure storage account name, and this is a SQL backup is the container. If you go and search that, see here, this is a storage account VSIT SQL. In that there is the container that is called blob container. This is the blob container name. So that URL already there, just copy it, nothing to do. So I copied it and placed here. Now with identity, shared access signature, leave it as it is because we are using this one. Now we required secret. Your shared access signature token is required. Just before I shown you where we need to take the shared access signature, click on this. There is a shared access token. This one we already generated. So I'm again generating it. Add that all the permissions and list. Okay. And you can generate now. And expiry date, I want to change November, December. Okay, 3 months. But this will generated by your client. Okay, now generate it. We required SAS token. Copy it. I copied it and place here. Okay. Now I place this. See here. This is the code. Nothing. We did just we copied that and pasted here. Just parse it, right, and execute it. When you executed with this name, there will be a one credential will be created in this under folder credential folder. Just expand this after a refresh. See here, this is created. This is Azure storage account credential. Now I want to perform the backup. The similar way, I'm taking same syntax as like this, but we are performing the backup not in local drive. I'm removing this. Now I want to take the backup on this storage account. Where is that? This account we required. Now this URL I want to take. Where is that? I will give the syntax, but see here, only change is here this code, and here should mention remove the disk. We are not taking in disk. You need to change here to URL, universal resource locator. So we are taking URL, not in disk. We are taking backup in URL. It will start HTTPS and same command rest of thing. Just try to take the backup. If it is fail, we need to test it. First parse it. Yes, successful. Run it. See here, the cannot open the backup device. Something here change. I think yes. The slash is changed. Now see here, backup has been completed successfully. Right, this backup where it is performed, on that Azure storage account. Is there anything I change? Only I replace where it is disk, just I replace URL. The rest of this portion is same. The backup file name, you can change anything. And this is the URL where you want to perform the backup. That is the container URL. The rest of code is same. So we have successfully completed the first backup on Azure storage container. Let's go first and the blob web portal and check that this backup is available on this folder. See here, backup is there. See here, this is the backup file we created just now. Event time also will be there, 9:23:49 a.m. just now. So this is the way we can perform the backup from on-prem to Azure storage account. The simple, right? So same way, if you don't have the access onto the portal, how to check backup is completed or not? We already connected that Azure storage Explore. If you refresh it, there is a refresh button. Where is that? Yeah, here, click on it. See here, this backup is available. Same file you can see here also. If you perform another database backup, the simple, see here, If you want to take another database backup, copy it and paste which database you want to take the backup. Now this time I want to take the same database backup but log backup. So I will write backup log, and here I will mention trn. Just change the name as the same syntax where we use only few changes with compression. Now I am performing that log backup. See here how it will complete within fraction of second. Again it is depend on network and database size and everything. Now see, go and see that second backup file is available or not. Refresh it. It will be placed here. Some attempting to address, it's okay. Refresh it again. See here, the backup is available. This is the way we can take the any database backup on Storage Explorer. I mean storage Azure Storage account. But this is the manual. It's okay. But I want to take through the job. I already told you that there is a maintenance plan. You can create it. So I'm going to create through using maintenance plan. Or if you want to take the backup by URL, see here. I mean manual backup by using GUI. Go to the task backup. Click on it. This is a script. Now I'm showing that by using GUI, graphical user interface. See here, I want to take the full backup. We know that this is that regular process what we did. Now I want to take the backup on storage blob container. After you created this credential, if you click on the URL, you know by default it will be disk. So that means you can take the backup on the local network drives or disk. Give me a minute. I want to take some water. Right. Now I want to take the backup on that Azure Storage account by using graphical user interface. Just select URL and click on add. See here, if you open this one, this credential will be available. Just select it. After selected, you can give the backup file name, which I want to take the backup file name. It should be Sony full. Give the today date 10/16/2025 .bak. Okay. Then OK. Click on OK. Right, see here. Now next media option. That's your wish. If you want to compress it. See here. Rest of is same. Now if you want to generate the script, generate it also. Let's see if you don't know that to how to write the script, you can generate from here also. Excuse me. See here, the script is generated same like what we created just before it. We where is that? Just now before we we wrote this code, the similar code is generated here. See here, same thing it is available with extra parameter. Even if you delete also not required. If you execute directly also it's work. So you don't know how to write this code, then this is the process by using GUI. I don't want to generate a script, just I want to execute here only. Then click on OK. See here, it will perform the backup by using GUI also. 100% is completed. Now that backup has been completed. If you go to the Storage Explorer, now refresh it. See here, the Sony database full backup is completed and available on the storage account. If you go and check that portal also, refresh it. Here also refresh. There is one. See here, all the backups are available. This is the way we can take that by using script. or by using GUI. Now I will show you that how to take schedule that job, backup job to perform daily by using credential as like we did last time job, SQL backup job. Same thing I will perform the same thing now. Only few things need to be changed. Where are that? How to create maintenance plan? You know, right? This is the management. There is the maintenance plan. Already one plan is there. Now I'm creating new plan, new maintenance plan. Give the maintenance plan. SQL backup, or you can give the DBA backup, backup, whatever. Okay, DBA backup, database backup, something. Now you already did this maintenance plan. Now we are same plan utilizing to perform the backup on Azure storage account. Now there is the tools, same task. You can drag and drop. Let it. Yes, and then go to the edit. Now which data I want to take the all the database backups which are just click on this which are not in online state. Okay, and here if you see backup to disk, now just change to the URL. After change this one, come to that destination. Here you need to provide storage account. Here SQL credential, just open this, you will see the same credential. This is where is that uh, security. Here just I want to select this one and I will show you that. Cancel security. This is the credential. This credential only it will show here. Edit. Now client wanted to ask to perform the backup job on this storage Azure storage account. Then this is the process. You can select all the databases and click on this destination. Right. I want to see, if you want to create also option is there, but we already created it. So you can utilize this. Now Azure storage container. Actually, most of time it will automatically pop up here, but it is not popped up. So I need to take that storage container. What is that? This container. You can take here also. Copy. This detail will be provided the client, not an issue. You can paste here, right? Now the backup going to this one. Okay. Now .bak. This is backup file extension. If you want to perform that full backup, BAK. If you want to perform that log backup, you can change to the TRN. Now view to SQL script. Let's see. See here, it is creating script also directly. See here, if you generate script, it will generate that backup script. Okay. Anyhow, here also there. Just click OK. Now it is ready. Now I want to schedule. Where is that? to perform daily or weekly, but we don't want to wait daily. I want to check every day occur. Now it is 9:05 p.m. server time. Next 2 minutes to start the backup. Daily I'm setting. You can schedule it like weekly, daily. You know that this is process. Okay. If you want to run the backup schedule every Saturday, it's okay. But for testing, I want to use to run automatically in next 2 minutes. What is time now? It is 9:06 now. 9:10. 9:10 a.m. p.m. The server time is p.m. Need to run. Okay. Just next 4 minutes it will be trigger. Now save it. It will create that job. You know that this is the process. You can give the name full backup like that. So if you want, I will give this one also. Mhm. Refresh. I mean, where is the maintenance plan here? Refresh it. It will be created already. See here, this is created. I want to give the subplan name different. Double click, otherwise right click. This is full backup and description DB full backup. Something you can give the DB full. Okay, and again I save this. Right. Now go to that SQL Server agent, expand it, use a Java activity. So here this backup is created. When it will run 9:10, we have more 3 minutes. Okay, it will perform the backup automatically. So this is the process to take the backup by using job, by using manual, and also GUI. All three process I shown you. We'll wait more 2 minutes. If it is fail, we need to troubleshoot. Okay, right. Let it run meanwhile. The same thing, if you want to do any server, the process is C. Creating the credential first. That is very first step, very important. If you don't have any credential, the backup will not work because our SQL Server need to authenticate with the Azure storage account by using credential only. So that is the very important steps to create first. I will give the script, don't worry. You can save somewhere. That's fine. Next, anyhow, let it run. Once they said job is completed, you will see that all the database backups on this folder. Similar way, if you go and check the same here also. Okay, let wait. What is time now? Just 1 minute. 9:09. Now see here 9:09:23. Let's see 25 more 30 seconds. Everything in especially in Microsoft provided that whatever we are learning like Microsoft Azure SQL Server or Microsoft Azure, that everything is easy way because all are GUI, no need to write code or something. We required only one time practice. That's enough. Now 9 is completed. Let's see job is succeed or not. If it is fail, we need to check. Refresh it. Yeah, it is failed. Let's see what is that issue. Might it is authentication issue. It's okay. We need to fix it. See here, job got failed. When it is failed, you will get like this. What is the issue? Has full access. has server access, could not obtain that. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I will change the job owner. That's what I told you. Always meant to use SA account, even job owner or everything. Better to use this one. Okay. So there is some access issue for that account. It's fine. I change that SA. I am running that again manually running the job. Start job because we cannot wait for next execution. Let's see this time. It is running. Let's see this time it's work or fail. Now it is running. Let's see. Here it is on that Azure blob storage container. If it is run successful, you will get few more database backup files here. Again, it is okay. Let's see job succeed or fail. Again fail. Let's see this time what is the error. Expand it. You will see the error also here. You know, when you are seeing this, all these things, might you get difficult to find out the reason. Okay. So I will show you one more way when it is maintenance plan. We need to check that reason why it is failed. Let me show you that one also. That better I told you when it is anything is fail, there is a chance to learn more. Okay, if it is success, we cannot troubleshoot, right? So now I will show you. Anyhow, we got the chance to learn thing. So how to check in case database backup maintenance is job is failed? The proper reason will be here. Right click on that maintenance plan. There is that view history. Click on it. It will be log the detail everything here. Just expand this and see here SQL backup, and this is that actual way to find out the error. See here database backup master to URL with credential field the following. Here some error is mentioned. What is that? I need to copy this. Copy it. So that error message will help you to troubleshoot the issue. What is the notepad? Now this is the error. So we'll learn new thing today. Okay. Executing query invalid zero length device name with valid device name. Uh, let's see what is that code. It is Beauty SQL code. Let me copy. See here that here problem. The device is not creating. So what I have to do? Need to change here. Edit. Here destination. Here this is this. It is not taking. Now what I have to do? Where is this SSMS? Okay, cancel. And we already performed the backup by using URL, right? This is not taking that path. So we need to give manually. By doing practice, you will get everything. Oh, where is this? So I need to replace it. destination here. Actually, sometime it will by default it will pop up, but it is not taken. It's fine. Now I want to save this again. Save. Again, go to that job and rerun it. Right. Let me rerun the job manually. See here, two process we did now. This time, let's see. It is running. We are getting new files. That then you are good. Let's say this time it fail or run. If it is fail, we can learn more. Now here again we have good chance to show you if it is job running. Then I want to show one more thing. Where is that? I already given one website to you. If I'm not wrong, this website. I told you we have SQL queries. So if you come here, backups, backup histories, restore status, blocking what is running, all are these are there. It will help you to find out that backups, backup history and everything. If you want to open the backup history, it will show that what are the backups, how to check all the script. It will help you. And I want to see backups. This already given script restore state, and this script will help you to find out the what are the backup and restore is running. Anyhow, this website I given to you. This is our own website, that is blog. Let run. I think job failed or complete. We don't know, right? Just we need to go and check it. I want to close this. Close this. Now see here. Refresh. Still it is executing. Okay. Still in execution state. Let's see. If it last database backup, if it take time, it will show you that how much percentage completed and how much time is estimation time to complete everything. It will show. Let's see, that is still running, but is there any new backup populated here, or might it is still authenticating? We don't know. It will take some time. Oh, it is refresh again. Not yet received. Let might be it still is authenticating. Let's see, it is fail again. Fail this time. See here how what is the error. Job. Oh, this what is time? 9:16, 9:19, 9:10, 9:16, 9:19. What is the problem here now? Here we can see lot of things. Okay, so better to I will show you this maintenance plan just before I show you, right? That exactly show that for maintenance plan only we have that option to check the exact error. Here view history. Now let's see what is the issue. This is the latest one. Expand it. It will give that problem here. It is trying to perform the full backup, and it is, oh, again it is syntax not valid. It is not giving that Might it is not saved it. Same error. Might it is not saved. Script not generated. So in might it is not saved. I want to see that. Destination. Let open the script. It is generating. Let me check that the script is generating proper or not. Otherwise, we need to modify these things. I need to copy and check that query is generating properly or not. Close, new query window, paste, check this. Okay, yeah, query generated perfectly. Might it is not saved it. I think I need to delete and recreate it. Yeah, the use of with credential syntax is not valid. Right, right. Okay, there is a prefix with credential it is utilizing. So the with credential is not required. So that is the problem. Actually, the shared access signature issue is this one. With credential is not work. So I will show you other method to create the job. So maintenance job not work, but other process there. Meanwhile, you can keep it because this auto generating using this credential, but shared access signature is different process. Let it. I will create one more job manually. Now, new SQL agent job. How to create manually? Always use SA and job name is DB full backup. I'm creating manually and steps new. I will show you other process also. Then it will maintenance plot work with that. Click on new. Here step name is full backup. Here you can give the script either Ola script or you can utilize any other script. Manual script also it work. If you want to take this backup script, where is that? I think better to take Ola script. Let's see. I think so. It will take the backup of all the database. Ola, where is this? Here, Azure, specify URL for Azure Blob Storage, specify credential for this one. Let's see the script which we given like this. This is script we required. Copy it. Here we required All database, I need to take all database. Then how to take all database? It is already there, all. Here this parameter is required, all databases. That means it will perform the data, all the database backups. If you give that user database, it will take only user data. Here we need to provide the URL. We know that this is the URL. This URL we required up to here. Copy. Just replace this one. And credential not required for this. Remove it. Backup type and parse it. Check it. Yes, command successfully. Okay. Okay. Now job completed. Let creation is completed. Let try to run it. Let's see this time. DB full, right? This one. Run it. And also you can schedule it also. If you want to schedule, you know that how to schedule. Properties. Go to the schedule. Provide the schedule here. New schedule. Suppose you want to run every day, weekly on Saturday. It's okay. Click on OK. It will be create that. I need step name is full and say OK. OK. It will run as per schedule. But we don't want to wait to run that job schedule. Let run manually. Refresh and start it job. I'm manually starting it. Let's see this time. Still it is failed. Let's see seed access signature issue again. Here we can find that proper reason in this job. Oh, SA again. That SA need to change properties. SA is there again. View history. Go to here. Could not find store page. Oh, store page we are not copied. How to check? That troubleshooting part. This is common uh, thing when you create the first time job. See here, what is error is giving. You always try to find the troubleshooting part also very important. Here giving could not find storage store procedure for this backup. This is we required to deploy the store procedure for backups. I think we already deployed because for practice, I already told you that backup required some store procedures. So I want to place the store procedure. If it is like that error, how to get here? You can download the object separately. Here backups store procedure is missing. It is giving error clearly. See here. If you open this one, what is the issue it is giving to you? By checking that, you will get to that full information. What was the issue? See here, this store procedure is missing. What is that? DBO database backup. That store procedure we need to copy from here. This is one. Download it. Open. Notepad. Where is that? I downloaded it. File not open. Yes. Notepad. Just once. See here it is opened. Just copy and paste. Where is this? Where is this? Minimize, open new query window, run and execute. And also let it run. Also we need to take one more, that command log and command execute also. These two also you can try to implement before, otherwise again it will fail. These two processes are very important for Vola script. I want to use that one also. Let's see. This also execute this. Sorry. Open. Yeah, this is completed. Again, it is giving suggesting it was missed like that. So I already copied that. That's what it is asking to execute this one also. I am executing this. This one also completed. And one more we required, command log. You will do one thing. You can download all this and execute it. Okay. Just once. Yeah. Again, you copy this. That's good. Now let's see if any new error. I will show you. Error will give the chance to learn more thing. Completed. Let's see if this error limited. I will get new error. Close. Now run. Start. Let's see this time. Let it. Where is this query? See here. Backup started. So this I wanted to show you. This time job is running fine. When it is backup running, it will show like this. Estimation time, how much time it will run. In real time, the database, it is huge. Large size of databases. So then it will help you to find out how much time it is required, how much percentage is completed, how much time it will take. This script is will help you. So always take this website, our website, and take this. Mostly I will update this website along with our VSIT, but this is free of cost, so I'm utilizing this one. Our VSIT is required to pay every year. That payment is required. So anyhow, you can go here and check this. Now this time is job complete. Don't worry. Now all are completed. Refresh it. See your job succeeded. See your troubleshooting part also is very important to fix. So you learn few things. I told you when it is failed, we learn many things. Now open that object explorer, refresh it. See here, there is a folder created VSIT server 1. Open that. Their individual folder is created. If you go to the master, there is the master full backup. See here. So now that job is done everything these steps. Similar way, you can go and check that portal also. Where is the portal? Refresh it. Here also available same thing. See here. Open each and every database. There is that folder created. That is that Ola script. It will useful to like this, because when they execute, they created individual folder for each database. See here, the backup is this one. Sony database, time, everything. So this is the way we can create that job and schedule it. Now it will be run every schedule. No need to take every time. Okay, this is done. Now another method I will show you, right? That method even maintenance plan also work fine. Now the second method, I told you this is the first method to take the backup. Where is this? I will close all these things. And one more script. Yeah, this we have one more script in the backup history. Click on it. The first one, it will see that full backup history for all database. I want to check that how many database latest backups are there. This will help you. I am running this query, same copy and paste. See here, we'll get that latest all the database backup, recent full backup. Now see here, all are done. Here, if you want to mention order by, if you require, otherwise no, but this is simple code. You can write order by backup finish date. Backup, it will get that auto pop up backup finish date. This one I'm writing same thing here. Descending, I need one order, ascending or descending order. So you will see that first full backup. Today backups is completed. These three database not completed because these all are not online might be. See here, VSIT test and these are restoring database. We cannot take the backups. Rest of things all are backup completed, and if you see that backup path, this time is like this. Not C drive, D drive, E drive. This time is showing URL. That means it is performing on that cloud storage account. Okay, that's good to learn. I'm closing this now. I will complete one more method, that is not that much time is required. Let me close all these things. Now as of now, everything we done by using shared access signature storage account. Now different method I'm going to show you. Right, this is method one now, and now I'm using second method. Method one we did. Now I am now performing the second method. Where is that? I written everything for you actually. Right, I will give that one also. Don't worry. Second method I am taking now. Second method I want to write here only. Otherwise open new window. This second method using storage account key. Earlier, let me close. No. This is method using shared access signature token. Now method two is using storage account key. Let we require now storage account key. Account name and storage account key is required. Let first you can take the storage account key. How to take the storage account key? Now go to the portal, storage account, VSIT, open storage account, this one, right. There is the access key, right? Click on it. Now go to the properties. I mean storage access policy. Okay, this is policy. I required key. Where is that storage account? Right, this is access key. We have, there are two storage account. Already yesterday I showed you this storage account key. We required this key. any of this key 1, key 2, I'm copying this and paste here. Replace that whatever here. Okay, I copied. Now I need your storage account. What is my storage account? This is a storage account name. Copy it and paste here. Now this is your credential name. You can define any name. I am taking that SQL backup Azure something. You can mention any name. That's your wish. Now you can execute it. This command successfully. After completed, you can go and check that in security there is a credential. Refresh it. One more credential will be created. See here, second credential is created. This one. Now by using this one, how to perform the backup? I will write query. After that, this query by using shared access signature. Now I'm writing the backup by using second method. Now opening the same query, I'm taking same query. I mean same query I copied, but here we need to pass extra parameter. That is here. Where is this? With compression. Before that, otherwise in the last also it's work. Now you can enter this. I'm deleting this one, so I don't want to get more confused to you. Now here we need to provide one extra parameter that is called with credential. I will write here. You can small letter also okay, but why I'm writing capital, that might you can identify. Otherwise you can write small letter also. With credential is equal. We need to provide our credential name. What is the credential name? This one. Copy paste here. Drag and drop. Where is this? Okay, I will drop here and copy again, cut and paste here in single quote. This is only parameter need to be added. Now parse this. I want to unpin. Right. Now parse this. Let's see. Now I want to backup file name different something. Otherwise same backup file name it is very difficult to us. Okay. Now execute it. See here backup completed. Right. If you go and see, this is a second method. We need to, in the second method, we need to provide extra parameters. Where is this? Refresh. You can, oh, okay. Sometime internet connectivity issue, it will get like this, not an issue. Okay, let me blob container again open here. Otherwise, you can go and check here also. Open new folder. Storage, some same thing available in the portal also. So it is that one is taking time, so quickly I will show here, and after that I will close the class. The backup is important guys, which I am trying to show you. It might require to you more practice. I will give the script, don't worry, all the steps with the example also. Where is the container? blob container. Where may I talk the container? That means blob container. Open. See here 10:14 just before the backup is completed. This one 39, last number is 39. If you come and see here, this is a 39 number just before is completed. It is blob container is not connecting yet. Okay, here also show that is not an issue. Okay, view all. Okay, it will open. Let it be same. It will be show here also. Now, if you want to open that again, this one I will execute now maintenance plan. Maintenance plan work for this with credential second method. So I will show you now. Now destination, I want to select that credential, this one. Okay. Now, okay. Click on OK and save it. Just save selected item. Meanwhile, this is, I will close and open it. It is not giving connection. Again, open it. Right. Edit. Right. Now I want to take, this is already changed that. Okay, fine. Okay, it is taking time, not required anyhow. We are verifying on that storage on that portal. It's fine. Now I have changed that and saved this. Let's close all these things and now run the maintenance plan. Earlier it was filled right. Now I just changed it and see that job. It is now this time. Let's see it is work or not. This maintenance one plan was failing right last time. Now I'm running it again after modifying. It's running. Close. Still it is executing. Let's see this time is completed or not. This is open. I think it is open. Close. Open loading. This is the theoretical is not take that much within 15-20 minutes we complete. That thing is practical and troubleshooting the real time, right? So definitely we need to wait some time to learn something. Now click on it. Let's see this time. It is opening. Let it open. Meanwhile, if you see that backups, this job is this time is completed or not. Still it is running. So it is taking the backup. See here, this time is completed successfully. This will come by practice, by experience. How to make success. Even it is fail, but we by checking that we troubleshoot and fixed this. Now this job is running fine. Now this job also taken the backup. See here, all these days backups are by using that one only. Just before, if you see, few database backups just of 9:49 just before 1 minute. These all are done by that maintenance plan job. So here, this is the way we need to create the maintenance plan or Ola script job, whatever. Now, if you want to take this second script, This credential, how to modify that Ola script job. There is some modification. If you want use to second method, go to the properties. Okay. Here we need to add one extra parameter. Edit. Already in Ola script, Azure. Why it is not moving? Okay. Here we need to add this parameter credential. If you want to use second method, here we need to follow that this process. With credential, we need to add the extra parameter. The rest of thing is same. Now I want to OK and OK. This is for second method. Only second method required with credential, because even if you see the second method, what are made changes. If you see here, I change that here extra parameter with credential. This is very important. Okay, we need to provide this credential on the job also. Where is that job? I think I didn't provide it. Just added parameter, but not the default parameter. I mean, just I copied and paste. I need to change that the credential also. So here we need to paste that credential name. Now it will work. For second method, this is. So this is the way we need to take the backup from on-prem servers to Azure storage account. Let's see that how many backups are there. Just refresh it. See here how many backup files are key. So today you achieved one main interviews. How to perform that on-prem server to Azure cloud or any cloud storage account. This is the process. I will give the script. Just other you can take the snap. What I written, that everything I will give to you. Don't worry. So when you try practice, it will help you. So I'm giving this script along with all this. Make sure to copy and save somewhere. Okay, it is not easy when you are doing, what, after joining the company. This script may not with you, of course. If you reach out to me, I will help you out. But yes, at anyhow, I given the script. Just copy it. Anyone have any doubt now? Tomorrow we have the class. Mostly I will take little bit extra time. Mostly I will try to conclude that tomorrow. Okay, so be prepared mentally. So sometime in troubleshooting part it will take time. So just before job fail, so we need to troubleshoot and success. It requires some troubleshooting time also. So you learn lot of things when we troubleshooting. That is different part. Okay. So tomorrow actually there are process different. Actually tomorrow I want to show that migration. Nowadays in the market they are moving to cloud, on-prem to cloud. So they will ask you that migrate database from on-prem to Azure SQL. Yesterday I shown you that backup and restore. Here also anyhow backups are in that Azure storage account. After on-prem backups is available here, you can restore on any virtual machine or any server. If you want this backup, you can same connect on that destination server and download it. This is the download. You can download on that destination server and restore it. This is also helpful to migrate the database. But another method is there. We use that migration tool that will help more compared to this one. Backup restore, that is different process. I will try to show you tomorrow. PaaS also, platform as a service. Tomorrow I will start that one. I will show you that migration. There are two topics need to be covered tomorrow. So it definitely it requires some extra time, mentally prepare. So tomorrow we'll meet you with good stuff. Hope you understand. We'll meet you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Reach out to me in case of any assistance is required or any doubt to be clear.